Today, join Roberta and Greg as they discover one of their favorite stops in the greater Phoenix area, Old Town Scottsdale. By night, by day, and one last stop at the 5th Avenue Shopping District in a different part of Old Town Scottsdale before flying back home. By the way, many more episodes of Out and About with G&B Unedited in Arizona coming soon. Don't miss the fun. Old Town Scottsdale. About 10 after 6. Sun has already set. Always some really cool shops here, restaurants, cacti. Most of the shops are probably already closed or closing around 6, I suppose. But yeah, this is I like how they have the lights going over the streets and so forth. See how that is? Of course, the palm trees. Metal cacti. Of course, anytime in the southwest states, you always have the chilies, right? See how that is? Chilies always hanging, whether it's a decoration or if they're real. This tree over here, by the way, is so cool. We've been here so many times. See that? It's beautiful. And down here you have streets closed off to traffic, and so there's a lot of restaurants down here this way. Back down this way. And a bunch of shops. And the lights that go over the street. So cool. One of our favorite spots. So cool. Look at that cacti there. I wonder how old that is. Been around for a while. We're at Siena Agave here in Old Scottsdale. It's green green chili crisp. But yeah, there you go. And then Bert has
Shrimp quesadilla.
Shrimp quesadilla. Yeah, we haven't had a bite of it yet, but boy, it sure looks good. We've been here many times over the years, and got a couple of margaritas as well. Yep, and this really looks good. I think I got the better of the two, don't you?
Yeah, that does look good. I'm going to take a bite of it.
And no, you're not. This is Bert with her shrimp quesadilla. Here at Siena Agave, here in Old Scottsdale. And you got the good head shake there, yeah. Oh, good shrimp on there, huh? Is it a big shrimp or little mini shrimps, or what is it? The big shrimps, all right. Perfect.
Oh, how is it? Oh my goodness, look at yours. I mean, mine tastes as good, but his looks good. Oh, really? Oh. He's saying this is perfect amount of cheese. Oh, I guess so. And it's crispy, too. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to have mine, because you're going to give me some, right? Sure. Oh, honey, I love you, too. Oh, really? Not too hot, just perfect. It looks really good. Now, is that chicken? Real chicken. Oh my gosh. Oh, and the margaritas are just perfect for right now because it's, I don't know, probably still 90. Yeah. And here it's, oh goodness sake. Well, chow down.
Now we got the daytime view of Old Town Scottsdale here. There's a couple different areas that are considered Old Town. I consider this the classic area myself. But yeah, a lot of lot of people up and down the streets. It's early on, so there's not going to be a lot of people right now. You can see tell you exactly where we were last night. Little different vibe in the morning. It's already 90 degrees here, and it's October, what, 19th, I guess.
Yeah,
It's a little unseasonably warm for this time of year here in Scottsdale, or the Phoenix, greater metropolitan Phoenix area. Wouldn't you say? Yeah. Old Town Scottsdale. This Rusty Spur was really hopping last night.
Wow, was it? Man, they were partying down.
Yeah.
Lots of locals in there.
Well, I suppose.
After work and
Yeah.
having a good time.
They always have all these art galleries and so forth, and
Look inside there.
yeah.
Ooh, man. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, beautiful.
Oof. I can draw a stick figure of a girl and boy.
Yeah. We couldn't even afford the speck of dust on the on that sculpture there.
Exactly.
Pretty sure they charge for that.
They probably do.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Those boots.
Yeah.
Woo.
Probably see a reflection here. Oh yeah, you can kind of get it there, huh?
Yeah. Aren't they beautiful? Wow.
That's a nice get up for you.
Thank you. Did you say that you were going to get up for me?
I did say that, kind of.
Kind of, you did. I'll get you off the hook this time.
Oh, thank you.
This-
Only if you could wear the size that was on that mannequin.
Forget it. Keep on walking.
Oh, there's no, we got our silver here last time, right?
One of these shops.
Yeah, I think it was this one here. Yeah. Yep. Matter of fact, it's that right there.
Yeah, we'll have to come back.
Yeah.
I mean, just to look.
Just to look. Yeah. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, it definitely was that shop.
What are you thinking again? I don't need to know
Ooh.
too.
Some of those turquoise knives are pretty neat looking.
Oh, yeah.
And no try.
Yeah.
No try.
Some of the rings and the.
Oh, man.
And I bought Eloise.
You've been looking for a belt buckle. You want to get that one?
Yeah.
No, something happened to my waistline, and I don't think I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
But I got lots of fingers.
Yeah. For
You want
sure.
to ride this? Look at that. I can put you on that. And give you this.
Yeah.
Oh, his little cactus boy.
Oh, look at that. Kind of fun.
Yep.
Okay, well, let's, Huskies play them Saturday. Huskies will blow them out.
Think so?
Well, the Arizona State beat the Huskies last year, but
There you go.
not a chance in the world this time. Historic Old Town Scottsdale. Yeah, lots of fun shops, and if you like jewelry, if you like art, if you like to eat, it's all right here in Old Town Scottsdale, eh? All right. It's nice, huh? Pretty fun. Look at these pelts here. Interesting, huh? It's probably where it came from. I don't know.
We want one thing on this trip.
Yeah,
Just
and
one?
there it is, huh?
Yes.
Well, let's do it.
Okay. Thank you, honey.
It's a unique store here. I mean, they're all beautiful, these stores. This is one of the better galleries here, and just took a picture of which gallery it is, but isn't this cool? All the neat jewelry and sculptures and rugs and so forth.
It's beautiful. Yeah, very nice. Always like these colorful stores and all the beautiful colors. Everything you ever wanted. Southwest type art and we already have 350 of those at home, and she keeps still checks out for more.
300 and how many? That'd be 361.
Yeah. Yeah. Colors just pop out in a store like this, don't they? And this is our last day in Arizona, our seven day, 1 week vacation. We got 7 nights, 8 days. We have a late flight going out, so we're going to enjoy. This is Old Town, the other part of Old Town that we usually don't come to. Sometimes we get here just to park for restaurant parking. Yeah, we just were in a couple of shops and have our favorite flip pop UFOs, which I guess the Olympians are going to be wearing them. I don't know if that means the Winter Olympics coming up here. But yeah, it's always just fun to walk around and check out the shops and such. Well, these are kind of unique, aren't they?
Yeah, I want one.
But you can rent them. Rideable tours.
Could you imagine going up and down the streets with this?
Oh, actually, I guess you probably go with bunches of people, it sounds like. Yeah, it says reserve a tour today, so you get the cactus and a cow and a pink horse and a scorpion. How fun! Well, the other section of Old Scottsdale, Old Town Scottsdale, the one that we usually don't go to, but
I need those.
apparently Bert needs those socks, huh? Yeah. Oh, those are cool. We got a cacti on there. But everybody's getting ramping up for Halloween. Now it's really close. Those Halloween stores seem to open up in before
July?
4th of July, I was going to say, yeah. Christmas in August, I don't know.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's unfortunate, really, that you have to do that. But it's all about the big bucks, right? Gelato.
Gotta get the money.
Yeah. So yeah, this is,
Ooh.
yeah.
Ooh. That would make me having to get a white linen dress.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
White linen. Just biding our time here before we go to the airport, but we still, our flight takes off at 7:40. So we have some time. I think we'll go down to maybe that Murphy's Irish Pub there. 2-for-1 fish and chips on Tuesdays there in Chandler.
Lovely little piece. I like it.
It is. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, cute little shops.
Yeah. Bracelets. Oh, you can make.
Huh?
You can actually make them, eh?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
Have the beads that you like.
Yeah, you could, yeah. Okay. Want to get a slice of pizza?
No,
Oh, yeah, that's right. We just ate. Couldn't stop you before.
if I'm on the ship, I probably would.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Because that's what you do.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's our really next planned vacations are 2 cruises. One in May to Alaska and one in September. And that'll be going out of Galveston to like Cozumel and no. Yeah,
Your cousin
yeah.
Mel or my cousin Mel?
Your cousin Mel. Cozumel and Costa de Maya. All right, well.
And then the rope for here.
Yeah, I think I'm going a little bit.
If you want to cross the street,
Think we should buy those UFOs?
let's go check it out.
Okay. If you go in there a second time, you know, it's pretty much a commitment.
That's true. Well, here we are again eating. What's new?
Oh boy.
But we have to sustain the body. You know,
Well, that's a thing we have to do.
yes, we have to. We don't want to. But we're in Chandler. It's a
Yeah.
cool community. I like Chandler. Arizona, of course. It's going to be our last little woohoo before we get on the plane. And this place is called Murphy's Law Irish Pub. And we've come here a few times. And we always come on Tuesday because it is
2 for 1.
2 for 1
Oh, boy.
of all this fish and chips. Oh my heavens. Look at diet when we get home, that's for sure. Although we did have a Diet Coke.
Yeah, we did.
Hello.
Yes, that counts.
Watching our waistline, you bet. This is a real quaint little place. It's fun. And on the walls, I don't know if you've noticed or not, but there's dollars all over the place. I don't know if you can take one when you leave or not. I think not.
I think not.
And the girls, they all wear cute little mini Irish plaid skirts with knee-high socks, and they're just adorable. The gals look like little models that's running around here. If I seen one, I'd show you, but I don't see one. Yeah, so anyway, honey, enjoy.
Vinegar on the chips.
Ooh, let's do that. Yum. Okay. Well, have a good one.
Next up, a full-on tour and review of the Best Western Plus Sundial Inn in Scottsdale, Arizona, before we head south to more adventures in the awesome Grand Canyon state of Arizona. See you then.